Students, so today we are going to continue the previous topic only, that is data transfer between files, databases and data frames. So today our topic is data transfer between data frames and SQL database. So here we are going to learn how you can transfer data from the SQL table to your Python using the SQLite tree library of the Python. Okay, so this SQLite tree already comes inbuilt with Python, so you don't have to install it using the pip command, and it deals with the SQLite databases. It is almost similar to the MySQL because whatever commands you have been using in MySQL, the same commands you will be using here also. Now to download this, we have to go to this website. Okay, so let us first go to this website. So what I will do, I'll just copy it, Ctrl C, then I will go to the browser, and suppose in the URL I have pasted, enter. So here you can see the SQLite home page, and here you have to go to this option, pre-compiled binaries for Windows, and here you have to download this SQLite tools, not the other two. DLL you don't have to download, you have to download SQLite tools. Okay, so I have already downloaded it, so I will show you. In the downloads folder, you can see it comes in the zip form. Okay, from the zip form you can extract it. After extracting it, what you have to do, in the C drive, last class I have created the my data folder. So in my data folder I have pasted this SQLite folder, and I have renamed it to SQLite. So inside this you can see these three files will come: SQL diff, SQLite tree, and SQLite tree underscore analyzer. These are the databases which I have created. Now I will show you how you can create the databases. So to create the databases, what you have to do, you have to click SQLite tree. So here you can see this is the window for the SQLite tree. So to create a database, what you to do, dot open, then dot, suppose I want to give it the name new DB. So this is the name of my new database. So press enter. Okay, so here you can see dot new DB. So just now I have created this database in SQLite tree, and it has come in my folder dot new DB. And if you enter dot help, dot help, then you can see all these commands. Means these are the different commands which you can use in SQLite tree. So let us go back to the PPT. So we work on SQLite prompt, means this window only. Just now I have shown you. So in this window or this screen only, we are going to work for the SQL queries. Done. Now let us start the practical part. So first I will go to the spider, and suppose here I will open one existing data frame. So import pandas as pd. Suppose I am giving dfs equal to, last class we have done this command. So pd dot read underscore csv, then within the C drive I have the my data folder, then again backslash, then there we created the file stu.csv, close the double quotes, then close the bracket. So dfs. So here you can see this is our data frame, okay, which I have already taught you how to do or how to create in the last class. Okay, now the thing is, we have got a data frame. Now we have to send this data frame to the SQL database. So for this, first you have to write import SQLite tree as SQ. Import SQLite tree as SQ. Done. Next, what you have to write, you have to establish the connection. Okay, so suppose I have written con equal to then SQ dot connect, then within bracket we have to give the path. Okay, so C drive, then within C drive we have my data, then within the folder my data we have this what is the name, SQLite. We have to write SQLite, SQLite written, then SQLite, then the name of the database. So the name of our database was new db.db. Okay, so I will close the quotes, close the bracket. So our connection is established. Now next step, what we have to do, suppose we have to write the name of the data frame dot to SQL, means the data frame will be converted to SQL. Then we have to give a name for our table, then comma con. Okay, so let us do that. So the name of our data frame was DFS. So DFS dot to SQL, to underscore SQL. Then we will give a name for our table, students, students, comma, the name of the variable for connection was con. So let us do that, close the bracket. Okay, so hopefully our data frame is converted to a table in MySQL. So let us see here. So here suppose I will type select star from students, semicolon, no such table as students, select star from table dot new db. Let me see one thing, dot open new db dot db. Now let us write select star from students. Yeah, so I have opened the database again, reopened the database which I have created. Then after writing select star from students, here you can see our table has come 01 Rahul 12 8A. So this one 01 Rahul 12 8A. So this is the process how you can convert a data frame to a table in your SQL database. Okay, next let us see. So we have done this. Next is, suppose a table is already existing in your database. Now how you can take it back or bring it back to the Python, or how you can convert it back to the data frame. So here you see we have already given the import statement for Pandas, we have already given the import statement for SQLite, we have already created the connection. So just we have to write this statement. So df equal to pd dot read SQL. So dot read SQL will read the database from here and bring it back here. So let us write, suppose this time I want to give a new name to the data frame. So suppose I have given dfd. Okay, dfd equal to, then we have to write pd dot read underscore SQL bracket start, then we have to write select star from select star from, the name of the table was our table name, which what we give, students, select star from students, double quote close, comma, then the connection variable. Here you have to give the semicolon, as it is an SQL command, so you have to give the semicolon, then CONN. So select star from students. Okay, so we have written the command, then we will run dft. So here you see this table has come back from the SQLite to the Pandas environment. Okay, so here you see this labeling or this index is again created automatically by the system. Already this was our original table, but when we have brought it back from SQL here, then this index is again created automatically by the system. Okay, so this is how you can convert a data frame to a table in SQL, and again the existing table in an SQL back to your data frame. Now the next topic is plotting from data frames. Now here I am using the Anaconda software, but if you are not using the Anaconda software, you are simply using the Python interface or the Python platform, then you have to install the matplotlib. Okay, from the command prompt you have to open the command prompt, and then there you have to write pip install matplotlib. But since I'm using the Anaconda, everything comes within the package. Okay, so I'll not do this. Now plotting means, suppose you want to see your data in the form of a diagram. It can be a pie chart, it can be a bar graph. Okay, then we have to import the matplotlib. Okay, this library we have to import. For that we have to write import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Okay, so let us see for the same example, students. So here I have written import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and our data frame was DFS. So this was our student table or the student data frame. Now here some mistake I have done. So you see this DFS dot plot. Okay, DFS means the name of the data frame dot plot. Kind equal to bar, because I want bar graph. Okay, comma x equal to h means along the x axis I want to show the age, and along the y axis class. So after writing this, once you run it, you will see your data frame in the form of a bar graph. Okay, so this is how plotting is done in data frame. So you practice these things practically, then it will be more clear to you. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you.